ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Together, what a foolish joy and gain, as we are waiting for this day to welcome you today. We are gathered to wish you now on this joyful and glorious day. Thank you, God, for all His grace, to all His singular grace. The sound of music fills the air, while you are in our midst. Many angels join and sing with us to welcome you today.
All Jaintia Master Roll Workers and Labourers Union kalapenlong ya kajingelang pajba ba shisen shisnem na ka 6th annual general meeting jongka haka shipotre ko pray no pra arjar arpuway haka jingelang kabalalong hamadan jeris lain joai yakani ka jingelang lapenya do ba Banaras Dhar General Secretary Cleriat Block balakren mai phang da ukro lam salan ki pariat President Kaseng. Hagani ka ngila penkuburam kerpang yi ki nongelam ba hakmat jong kani ka seng ki bakentop ya ukro lam salan ki pariat utitos shadam kemanda bare kedayo wan pi yakai kalana ika kindia bat ushan bor dekat. Kum kedak ke jing sngongo sngoburam yi ki breu ki balayarap ya ka seng hagi babon ki liang nakaliang jong ka seng kala penkuburam ru ya usan ki lamare wahe snong ka snong raliang Uorilan sela, ugarlan langdo, kahakani pariat, upi lingdo wahe snong jongka chut waku, bat ya udai kisar lakyang. Nalor kata kum gajing penslor, bat I men same ni ki kena puli ki balapoi shakmat, ha ki examen baper, All Jaintia Master Roll Workers and Labourers Union kalapun ko buramru yaki da ka Academic Achievement Award arajar arpuway ha ka baki kena ki balaban yo yegani ka khusnam ki dei ki bayo prapo percent shaneng lapun po pen peng yi ka jingelang de ki jingrwa jing shat bat ki wei balai simbenta de ki dekot jong ka seng